Hey, Andy here. I was talking to a customer earlier in the week, and they were talking about Minio replacement in S3. As you may know, I sell storage. We've got object services coming to one of our hardware platforms called FlashArray. But they were looking at deploying Minio and Kubernetes, and they mentioned they were looking at RustFS. And I'll pull that up. RustFS. I looked at it. Oh, that's my own. I was playing with it. I looked at it, played with it. It was a pain. It was a pain to install. It didn't play very nicely. And that's where I quickly kind of figured out there may be something better. So Googling around, I found RustFS. Okay. Got a Helm chart, real easy to deploy. In fact, that's exactly what I did. So let me go. I deployed. It's in my demo script. So I got RustFS here. I got a couple volumes. We've got Rancher. Let's go ahead just to walk through it for giggles. I'll show you how I've got it deployed, but we can go to Service Discovery, Ingress. We can see we've got RustFS. We can click on that. Boom. And this should be admin PA22WORD because I'm a savage. And there we go. Really clean interface. Really easy to set up. We can take a look at, I can show you the Helm chart for it. I actually pull it up here. Was it 410? Oop, different. Yep. RKE2, functions. Where is the little slide out for the functions? Yes, symbols. Demo, and here it is, RustFS. So it's a pretty easy, simple Helm install. You give it an ingress name. So I'm still using Nginx. I like it in standalone mode. It just works. It's simple. Doesn't have to be distributed. Give it the storage class backend. Give it amount of space. Give it a log size. Give it the secret, in which case it's admin. The password is my password for my scripts, which is capital PA22WRD. And then you give it an FQDN for ingress, and you are literally done. That's it. That's all I did. Now, because I'm using this to backend Portworx backup, I do go ahead and pre-create a bucket called PX Backup. And if you haven't used the MC client, it's actually from Miniforms, which is pretty funny. The MC client's pretty easy to go ahead and say, go ahead, insecure, set an alias, and then go ahead and do like MB for make bucket or DB or whatever you need to do. You can actually copy paste or copy files up in that way. But let's copy a file right now. So we'll go into my bucket just to kind of show you the ease of use. Upload. I can literally just drag. Here's a YAML I was playing with and hit start upload. Done. Right. So pretty simple, pretty good interface. Really like RustFS. I hope you find this useful and maybe stop using Seaweed and Minio all at the same time. Cool. Like, share, subscribe. I got some more stuff. I got some more videos planned around Harvester, PCI pass-through, GPUs, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.